Hello and welcome back to my channel Lady AI. My name is Faith, and in this video I am excited to share with you an update on the niche research we did previously using BookBolt and self-publishing titans. In that video, we found a profitable niche for a Christian puberty book for boys. Today, I will showcase the books I created using Chat GPT, Midjourney and Canva. The books are part of a 3-book series called God's Plan for Puberty. I have already published 2 of the books on Amazon, on paperback and ebook formats. And the best part, both books are already ranking on page 1 for our researched keyword, Boy Puberty Book Christian, just 2 days after publishing. This is the power of proper niche research. I decided to create a series of books to offer diversity to the same audience and increase my chances of ranking 1, if not all books on page 1. The first book on our series is called The Puberty Parables, and the second book is called Growing in Grace. These are Christian fiction books for teenage boys, featuring relatable male protagonists going through puberty and how they overcame different adolescent challenges with the help of Christian principles and values and a relationship with God. In this video, I will walk you through the process of creating the books using Canva, Midjourney, and Chat GPT. I'll show you how I used these tools to design the cover, layout, and content of the books. I also want to let you know that I'll be publishing the 3rd book soon, and I'll definitely do an update on that. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be informed when I produce that video. If you're interested in checking out the books, I have links to them on Amazon in the description box. And for anyone with Kindle Unlimited free trial or membership, you can get the 2 ebooks for free. I'll also link the previous niche research video in the description box for anyone who might have missed it. So this is how I started. I went over to Chat GPT and asked for some amazing strategy ideas to execute this project. I wanted the books to be in a friendly, relatable, and unique tone, and to be exciting to the reader, making them want to buy all 3 parts of the series. Chat GPT gave me some great ideas, but I was particularly interested in focusing on Christian values and teachings in my puberty books. So I asked Chat GPT to pretend to be Rod Serling, the creator of The Twilight Zone. I loved that style of delivery when I was a teenager. I asked for fantastic concept development ideas for a 3-part book series about Christian puberty book for boys. The format of the series should be unique, presenting standalone episodes that are unrelated to each other. Each episode should explore a different form of issues related to the topic, often with a twist ending that left readers thinking about the episode long after it ended. With Chat GPT's help, I got many ideas that made the different chapters of the book. For each idea, I wanted a clear flow of the story and biblical principles intertwined into the story in a way that delivers the Christian values to each story. I kept probing Chat GPT for more and more topics, and with a list of chapters, I decided to have 8 stories in each book. I made some calculations to ensure the book pages get to the minimum of 72 pages, suitable for Amazon. Then, I would take one topic and ask Chat GPT to write a detailed story with around 1700 words. For example, about the first crush. The story I got was amazing. When a new girl starts attending his church, Caleb is smitten. But as he gets to know her and tries to win her over, he realizes that his feelings may be clouding his judgment. With the help of his youth pastor and his own faith, he learns to navigate the ups and downs of his first crush and find a sense of clarity and perspective. The story is modern and relatable and has a twist ending that leaves readers thinking about the story long after they finish reading it. I also suggested adding 2 verses from the Bible for guidance and encouragement, verses that are both relevant and rarely used. These verses were cleverly fit into the story, and they added a lot of value to it. With the manuscript ready, I moved over to the KDP cover calculator and got my book dimensions. I picked a 72-page standard color paperback with 8.5 inches by 11 inches dimensions. I downloaded the template and headed over to Canva. I created a table of contents from my chapters and got a great preface done by Chat GPT that introduces the book in a very nice way. Then I got right into the chapters. I wanted an image before each story begins, and I used Midjourney, my favorite image AI tool for sure. After each story, I asked Chat GPT for image and scene suggestions to use on a text-to-image tool, and I would get these amazing suggestions. I would then take the ideas to Midjourney and created these tone-setting images before every chapter begins. To create the cover, I used our Amazon calculator template to create custom dimensions. Then I turned to Chat GPT for cover image ideas and received some great suggestions like this one of the boy on the bench. I generated the image on Midjourney and brought it back to Canva. I also received my awesome book titles from Chat GPT. I'll be developing the contents of book 3 at a later date. Using Canva's design tools, I created the book cover and added different elements like text and color to make the image come out just as I wanted. So, what do you think of the designs? Please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget that you can grab free copies of my books on Kindle Unlimited by signing up for a free trial or membership. I'd really appreciate your support. And hey, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all my forthcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye for now.